Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I've been working on these straw topper molds, and I've made quite a few. This is just a couple of them that I've done. They're all so cute. I love the colors. I love the designs. They're just fun, happy little things to glam up your cup or your straw for your tumbler, and they're just adorable. I've got several different ones that I'm working on, but today we're going to do something really fun. I have this glow-in-the-dark powder, and this one is pink, and I also have it in, it looks white, but it actually like glows green, and this is from Lit. It says it is the glowiest, brightest glow-in-the-dark powder, and I have done absolutely nothing to this powder. It's just been sitting over on the shelf under a regular light bulb from the room, and you can see how it glows. So it's going to be a lot of fun to see what happens when we mix it up with epoxy and use the UV light on it and see what happens. So I'm using a Resin, and I got about 10 mils in this little cup, and I used 1 spoon of those little tiny spoons, and then I felt like it needed to add a little bit more, but it mixes really well with epoxy, and I added a couple drops of Maribu rainbow alcohol ink because I wanted it to be kind of glittery. And look, all I did was shine it just for a few seconds. I mean, I've sped the video up a little bit, but it was strictly just a few minutes, or a few seconds really, and look how bright that shines. And I can actually pour it in the dark. It's so bright. There was a couple of bubbles that was on top, so I was popping them. And it's brilliant. It's so bright. So now we're going to try the green. Got the same amount, and I'm going to go ahead and light up the lit powder with a couple seconds of UV light, and then I'm going to mix it into the Resin, which again, this is 1-to-1 ratio, 10 mils, and it stirs in. It feels a little bit different than when you're using a mica powder. You actually can feel the grit with your stick until it mixes into the epoxy. So I'm going to add a little bit more, and with this one I want to add some medium chunk glitter, because this is going to be the Mermaid Tail, and I wanted it to see how the glitter would do in with the glow in the dark. So just putting a little bit in there and stirring it in. Is that not cool? I mean, this stuff, it just takes just a very little bit of light to make it shine and glow like that. So I'm putting it in the mold, and then I'm squeezing it and tapping it down to make sure that it gets all the way to the bottom and that there's no air holes down in there. And look at that. Is that not neat? This is so much fun. They have this in some different colors, so I want to go back and order some blues and other colors that they have, just to see what they look like. But just squeezing it and tapping it down, shining a little bit of the light on there. Actually using the flashlight so I can pop any bubbles that I see. And then the other one, the little unicorn, had been sitting over to the side, and it was still glowing. So these have been 24 hours in the mold, and I'm going to demold them now, and we're going to see how much shine there really is to them. I have not put any UV light on them since they've been in the mold, and they're still shining, or glowing, I guess you should say. Is this not the coolest thing ever? So I'm not really being rough with my molds. It looks like I am. I did this much slower than that. I just sped the video up to save time. And this is the Mermaid Tail. And look at them. Are they not cute? I love them. They're so cute. And they just glow like crazy. It's absolutely amazing. This isn't like fluorescent paints or anything. This is the glow powder, and it doesn't even take UV light. It can just take regular light bulb room light, and it will glow like that. I didn't time it to see how much it would glow because it just does. So these are my cups right here. I did a beach cup. And so I thought, well, let's see what they look like on the straws. So we're going to put the mermaid onto the beach cup. See how cute? I mean, it's just bling for your cup. I love it. And this one here was my very first cup that I ever did, just to see if I could learn how to do tumblers. And so we're going to put the unicorn on this one because it's pink. And look, is it not adorable? Just turn off the light and see what they look like. And they glow like crazy. I love it. I think it is so cool. There's so much glow to it, you actually can see the top of the lid of your tumbler in the dark. They're precious. I can't wait to do some different designed ones, and I want to get some more of the colors in, and it will be really, really cool. I've got one that is a seashell, so that will go really good with a beach themed tumbler. I got some different ones that are kind of like flatter, round. I have a little dog paw, and I have a watermelon slice. So I'm going to be making these and showing them to you, and matching them to the theme of a cup. So here they are all done. They just shine in the dark. I had no lights on whatsoever here. You can see the glitter in there. And this one I took with the flash just off my camera. There was no other light. And this is without any lights. They're just so bright. I love them. Totally, totally fun. So if you're looking for a fun little project and just want to dress up your cups, this is the perfect little thing to do. So I hope that y'all have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please click like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, you'll get notified when I upload future videos. And I'm going to start matching the cups to the straw toppers, so that'll be a lot of fun. And if you have any comments or questions, you can leave them below, and I will leave the description of everything I use along with a link to where you can purchase the lit powder if you're interested. And if you're interested in a straw topper, let me know. I'll be glad to get you fixed up with one. So, and I just want you to know that all those things that you do, watching the videos and commenting, liking, sharing, all that helps my channel grow, and I certainly appreciate it. So I'm going to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.